Hello guys, welcome to DevOps with Mike. In this video, I will be taking our time to tell you why you're not getting your first interview or why you're not getting your first job. Make sure you like our video, leave a comment in the comment section, and if you can share the video to other people, other enthusiasts. There are a lot of things which people miss out along their DevOps journey, along their cloud computing journey, and no matter the skill set you have, no matter the experience you have, if you cannot pass out that experience to your interviewer in an interview, you won't get that first job. So in this video, I'll take our time to give out some of the things which you need to nail your first job. And by that, I will definitely answer the question of why you are not getting your first interview or your first job. There are 4 things which I'll share with you on how to be free and how to get your first job in this journey. The very first thing is during your interview or whatever session you have to express your expertise. Be confident. Be confident. Yeah, there are many people who go out for interviews. They have a lot of skill set. They have a lot of mastery of the subject matter, but they don't know how to demonstrate confidence during interview sessions. Every recruiter is looking for someone who knows what they are talking about, who knows how to interact in the teams, who knows how confident he is about his skill set and what he has as his technology mastery. So once you go for every interview you have, you must be able to demonstrate confidence. There are a lot of people who are shy. They don't know how to express themselves during interviews. They don't know how to express themselves publicly. But that is a skill set which you must start developing if you want to get your first job. So being confident is one of the things that will make you stand out during your first interview or during your interviews for a DevOps position or for a cloud computing role. Secondly, another thing which you must master is your resume. Your resume, yes, you must master your resume. A lot of people will just go to the internet and copy things and put on their resumes without understanding detailing how those things function. For instance, if you've used a service like GitHub for your source code management and on your resume you want to pass out that you've actually managed source code with developers through GitHub, you must make sure that once you've put services used as GitHub, you must be able to tell your recruiter that I've used GitHub and I use GitHub for this purpose. I was working with this team and we use GitHub to implement this particular technology or to implement this particular phase of this particular project. That's where a lot of people miss out because they don't know how to back up or how to effectively prove the competence they have on their curriculum vitae or on their resumes. So you must have an understanding of every little word that is actually there on your resume. Recruiters have a very first impression of who you are based on what's on your resume. So once they pick up your resume, every little letter, every single word on your resume is a definition of who you are. So I advise a lot of people, when drafting a resume, you must make sure every word you have on your resume, you can back it up. I mean, you have to say how you've used that particular service, what use case, how that service was of added value to you, and probably you can even demonstrate some of the issues or the difficulties you had while working with that particular service. That way the recruiter knows that this guy didn't just copy this stuff from the internet to put on his resume. So you must have a mastery of your resume, word by word, and that will demonstrate to the recruiter that this guy is confident and this guy knows what he's talking about. Thirdly, relax. Nobody wants to hire someone who is tensed. Nobody wants to hire someone who feels under pressure, even though most environments definitely will have pressure, but you must relax. When taking your interview, relax. You're talking to another human, right? You're talking to a human, so you must relax. Feel free and communicate like you're talking to that best friend of yours. Every interviewer needs to know that this person is confident, this person has mastery of what they're talking about, and this person can work in a relaxed environment. So relax, guys. Relax when you're taking your interview. Then lastly, when taking your interviews, and it's probably another reason why people don't get their jobs or get to the point of getting jobs, is because during the interviews they are not comfortable, and if you are not comfortable, you won't be able to nail your interview. Before taking your interview, be comfortable, have a comfortable position, have a comfortable dress you're putting on, have a comfortable environment, be in a comfortable state of mind. When scheduling an interview, make sure you're free, you set your time so that will be the only activity which you will be doing, and that way you're going to go out and shine in your interview, and probably you land your first job. So stop doing those things which you used to do before and start doing these things, these four things. One, being confident. Two, having mastery of your curriculum vitae, having mastery of everything else on your resume. Three, relaxing every opportunity you have when checking your interviews. And number four, you must be in a comfortable position. Those are the few tips which you need to have when taking your next interview. If you didn't get any point very clear, you can leave that in the comment section. I'll take our time to reiterate more further for you to have a perfect understanding and for you to nail your first job. Like our videos, subscribe to our channel. Any question you have, anything you want me to cover in the video, leave that in the comment section. And I will do well to answer all your questions. Equally do well to share our videos to all those in your networks. Thank you.